You love you on the channel. I want to thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. You love you on the channel Tech for Gamers. The channel is actually for reviewing components that are for PC lovers and also gamers. So if you have love for PC, you have love for gaming, and I think this channel is for you. Let's get started. On today's episode, we'll be looking into some of the PC cases that are for water cooling. Let's take a look at we will start from cooling master box NR200P. That's it's a small form factor SFF mini ITX. Yes, mini ITX. And the colors, it comes with black, white, blue, pink, orange, and purple. Those are the selection that it comes with. So if I know this kind of colors, you might have what you want in there. And also it's a cool price. It's $87.99 on Amazon, or it depends on the retailer who is selling it. Our next chassis will be the Thermotech Core P1. Also, it's also mini ITS as well. It's also mini ITS. The color is black. It supports up to 240mm radiator at the side, and the motherboard supports a mini ITX 6.7 by 6.7 inches. That's it. And the dimension wise, it's also 15 by 13.1 by 16.6 inches. The ports, it comes with 2 USB 3.0 and 1 audio head, and it's also $142.70 US dollars. Our next chassis will also be the Thermotech Tower 900. Also, it's also a full tower case. It's a full tower case. They did only 2 colors, only 2 variety of colors. That's black and white, and it's also $300. You know, we can't do a water cooling case without not talking about the Corsair IQ 500T RGB. Yes. It's also the type also is our ATX mini tower. The colors variety is also black and white, so you can choose which one you go for, whether you go for the black or you go for the white. The price is $364.99. Our next chassis will be the Corsair Obsidian 1000D. One of the best cases out there. It's a double chamber case. It's also a full tower as well, like the Thermotech, and it came with black color. $514.99 US dollars. So if you are looking in for also a full tower case, you have also a choice for going for the Corsair Obsidian 1000D as well. Alright, let's take a look at our last chassis, and also one of the expensive chassis for today's video. We have the Thermotech distro case 350p. It's a mid tower ATX, but very expensive. The colors is also black. We have black color, and it takes a whole lot of fans. It's $760.40 US dollars. Thank you so much, guys. That's our today's cases that we'll be looking into it on this. Thank you so much, guys. Consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.